Hi, I'm Stephanie Vedral, and this is my video reflection. The assigned article emphasizes the importance of exposing children aged 3 to 5 to expository picture books and how this genre can be highly beneficial to students with language impairments. Students with language impairments are at risk for falling behind in reading as they get older, so this early intervention can help these students meaningfully engage with nonfiction texts. The teacher in this study taught the students in small group, and the data from pre and post test showed consistent growth. The research found that students made improvement in understanding the text structure of sequencing, academic vocabulary, and science content specific concepts. This explicit instruction, which incorporates the text structure of sequencing, can help students with language impairments understand how authors organize text, making them better prepared when they encounter these types of texts as they grow older. Using guided question promotes discourse about the topic, leading to the acquisition of scientific knowledge and reading comprehension skills. Teachers can implement this first by diversifying their library. Preschool and kindergarten classrooms often have large numbers of fiction texts, but incorporating nonfiction texts about scientific concepts, especially those that align with student interests such as plants and animals, can significantly add value to the classroom. Teachers and students can also benefit from highlighting sequencing words during read alouds, such as first, then, next, and finally, as referenced in the article. These necessary signals to students that a change is happening in the story and can improve their comprehension of the text overall. Teachers can create center activities to reinforce this concept, such as drawing the life cycle of a plant after reading a text about it. A lot of these things teachers are already doing inside of their classroom. It's just a matter of purposefully aligning potentially new text to the standard or the idea that the article is incorporating. For parents, reading to their children at home is one of the most significant indicators of student success, and this article supports that. Read to your children for about 10 to 20 minutes per night at that young age and increase that to about 30 minutes per night as they grow older. And utilize your local or school library to find nonfiction books that reinforce what is being taught in the classroom. Parents can also help their child remember sequencing words by using them verbally at home. For example, if you're cooking with your child, the parent can list the steps of the dish using first, then next, finally. And this real life application can help students both in school and foster their independence. Overall, even though this study was done with a small sample of students, this idea is an easier one for teachers to implement and can have really great benefits for students, both those with and without language impairments.